It all started 100 years ago in northern Italy, when Antonio Zanussi, a 26-year-old blacksmith's son, created the first Zanussi steel oven. He called it La Rossa. It was a beauty. And for the next 100 years, Zanussi would go on creating lots of other stuff which also made everyday life easier. Like our induction hobs, which were faster, safer and more energy efficient. Or fridges that keep your veggies fresher for longer, so there's less waste and you don't have to go to the supermarket every second day. It's why we make ovens that clean themselves, and extra large washing machines. That way, you can spend more time getting dirty and less time cleaning up. And if we can do all that with 1 century, who knows what clever products we'll come up with next, and where they'll take us. Zanussi, celebrating 100 years of clever ideas.